Good morning, viewers. This is JNR. Welcome to the JNR Maths YouTube channel. Today we discuss two theorems: slope intercept form and intercepts form. Let us start. First theorem: slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Now write down the statement. The equation of this straight line, the equation of this straight line, the equation of this straight line, the equation of this straight line with slope m and cutting off y-intercept C is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. The equation of this straight line with slope m and cutting off y-intercept c is, now we prove that y equal to mx plus c. First of all, draw x-axis and y-axis. X dash y dash. This is the x-axis, y-axis. Now we draw one line. That line slope is m and that line cuts y-intercept at c. Now draw one line. Draw a line. So this is the line. This line cuts y-axis at this point. That y-intercept how much is c? Y-intercept c means origin to this point distance, that is the c units distance. So this line cuts x-axis at a, y-axis at b. So B is lies on y-axis, y-intercept is c. Y-intercept c means this distance is c units. This point lie on y-axis means x equal to 0. So 0 comma y-intercept how much c. This distance is c units. Y-intercept c. Be of 0 comma c. So next, now we take point P. Now we consider one point P. P of x comma y. Now we consider one point P of x comma y. Now we consider one point in this line P of x comma y. Proof. The equation of this straight line with the slope m. Now you consider this line is L. The equation of L. Straight line is L. The equation of this straight line. The equation of The equation of the straight line L. The equation of the straight line L. Equation of the straight line L. That line slope is how much? M. Line L with slope M. That line slope is M. Cutting off y-intercept C. Cutting off y-intercept C and cuts slope M. Next, the line L. Line L means a straight line. The line L cuts y-axis at C. Line L cuts y-axis at C. B of if once observe this point, B of 0 comma C lie on y-axis. B of 0 comma C since B of 0 comma C lies on y-axis. Lies on y-axis. B of 0 comma C lies on y-axis. Now consider one point P of xy. That point on the straight line. If once observe this point, P of xy lies on the straight line, and which plane? This plane, which plane? This is the x-axis, y-axis. This plane is xy plane. This one is x dash y plane. This one is x dash y dash plane. This one is y dash x y dash plane. So, if P of x comma y on the plane, which plane? XY plane. If P of x comma y be the point on L at XY plane. Point P of xy be the point on L at XY plane. So next we find out these 2 points slope. Slope of L. Slope of L equal to these 2 points slope. Now find out BP slope. Next slope of M equal to. So next we find slope of L equal to. Slope of L means now these 2 points slope, that equal to slope of PB. Slope of L equal to, that equal to slope of PB. M equal to slope of L. M means slope. Which slope? Line slope L. So M equal to slope of L. That equal to slope of L. Slope of L means how can find out slope? These 2 points slope. Slope of PB. Therefore, M equal to slope of PB. P point is xy. B point is 0C. Now we consider this point is x1, y1. P point is x1, y1. B point is x2. Once observe this one. This point, now we consider this point is x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. Now we consider this point x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. y2 minus y1. What is the 2 points slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the y2? This one is x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. y2 minus y1. y2, y minus y1 c. By x2 and x2 is x minus x1 is 0. That implies m equal to y minus c by x minus 0 x. By using cross multiplication, m into x, mx equal to y minus c. Now we take this term RHS to LHS. Minus c, it becomes plus c. mx, we take this term RHS to LHS. Minus c, it becomes plus c. Plus c equal to y. Therefore y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. This one. Once observe this one. Okay, next theorem, intercepts form. First theorem is slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. That theorem is over. Next theorem, intercepts form. The equation of the straight line which cuts off non-zero intercepts A and B on the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. This one is intercepts. Which intercept? This one is x-intercept. This one is y-intercept. So, draw the diagram. X-axis, x dash. Now draw y. Y-axis. Next, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So, observe this one. A is intercept A on x-axis. Intercept A on x-axis. Y A lies on x-axis. B the y-axis. Intercept B y-axis. Intercept B on y-axis. So, once observe this one, draw one line. Observe this one. So, the equation of straight line. Now draw one straight line. This line is L. Which cuts a non-zero intercepts A and B on x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, A lies on x-axis. X-axis, x-intercept is A. Y-intercept is B. So, this one, origin to this distance A units. Now this point, now you consider this point is A, this point is B. So, x-intercept A, this distance is A units. Point lies on x-axis means y0. A comma 0. Next, B on y-axis. This point lie on y-axis. X equal to 0. So 0 comma y-intercept is B. Here x-intercept is how much? A. Proof. The equation of straight line, the equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line L, which cuts off intercepts A and B, intercepts A and B, intercepts A and B on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. This this sentence already theorem is given in theorem. The equation of straight line which cuts off intercepts A and B on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now I write the one. Next, once observe this one. Given points x-intercept A comma B on x-axis, y-axis. This is the intercept, x-intercept A, y-intercept B. So, what is the points? If A equal to A comma 0, B equal to 0 comma B. A equal to A comma 0, B equal to 0 comma B. Find out slope. Slope equal to, slope means this line slope. Slope of L. M equal to slope of AB. Slope of AB. That equal to, what is the slope formula? 2 point slope. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. That equal to, that implies M equal to, now we consider X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Y2 minus B minus this one X1, 0. Y2, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Y2, B minus Y1, 0. By X2 minus X1. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. X2, 0. Minus X1. That implies M equal to B minus 0, B by minus C. That implies M equal to minus B by A. That negative sign having numerator or denominator means belongs to total fraction. M equal to minus B by A. Now, already we know that. So what is the slope intercept form? Y equal to mx plus c. So equation of the line, equation of a line L, equation of a line L with equation of a line L, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. What is slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Now, M is how much? Minus B by A. Now substituting this value in equation. Y equal to, that implies Y equal to M is minus B by A. Minus B by A into X plus C. C means y-intercept. C is y-intercept. Y-intercept how much? Y-intercept is B. X-intercept is A. Y-intercept is B. C equal to y-intercept. Now we write y-intercept is B. From this one, equation 1. From 1. Now substituting this value in this equation. By that implies y equal to multiply this one, minus b into x minus bx, by using LCM. Here a, the denominator having only 1. Now we take LCM. LCM is a, minus b into x minus bx plus, what is the LCM? A into B, AB by A. By A. By using cross multiplication. That implies A into Y. AY equal to minus BX plus AB. Plus AB. Now we take this term. RHS to LHS. It implies minus BX. It becomes plus BX. BX plus AY equal to AB. AB. This equation dividing by AB on both sides. Dividing AB on both sides. That implies BX plus AY by AB equal to AB by AB. AB by AB. Now write this one separate. BX by AB. BX by AB plus AY by AB equal to AB is cancelled one time equal to 1. AB is cancelled one time. Here B is cancelled. A is cancelled. Here AB is one time cancelled. Now we write 1. That implies x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This is intercepts form. This is intercepts form. Intercepts form, x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Okay, guys, are you understand? Very easy. First of all, draw x-axis and y-axis. Now draw one line. That line cuts x-axis at A, y-axis at B. A is x-intercept, B is small b is y-intercept. If A, B. Find out slope. Slope of AB. By using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So b x1 y1 x2 y2. Y2 b minus y1 0 by x2 0 minus a. B minus 0 b minus 0 minus a minus a. This is m. Next, by using slope intercept form. Already we know that what is the slope intercept form? Y equal to mx plus b. Now we are substituting this m value in this equation. y equal to minus b by a into x plus c. C is y-intercept. Y-intercept how much? Y-intercept is b. Now we write b. By using, we take LCM, a minus b into x minus bx plus a into b, ab. By LCM is a. By cross multiplication, a into y, ay equal to minus bx plus ab. Now we take this term RHS to LHS. Bx plus ay equal to ab. Dividing ab on both sides. Bx plus ay by ab, ab by ab. Ab one time cancel. Subtract these two terms. Bx by ab plus ay by ab. bb cancel, aa cancel. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. That is intercepts form. My dear viewers, please share and like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you for watching.